For most part of aviation history, air combat meant dogfight. Two fighters twisting through the sky, each trying to get behind the other. The pilot who turned tighter usually won. But modern air warfare works very differently. Today, fighters are designed to destroy the enemy before the dogfight even begins. Take the F-35 Lightning II. It still flies at Mach 1.6 and its engine produces 191 kilonewtons of thrust. But its greatest advantage is not speed or maneuverability, it is information. Modern air operations are flown as a strike package, a coordinated group of aircraft that may include stealth fighters, airborne radar aircraft, electronic warfare jets, and sometimes drones. Each aircraft plays a different role. In this system, the F-35 often acts as the forward sensor. Using stealth and its advanced radar, it can approach hostile airspace and detect enemy aircraft from long range. But here is where modern aircraft combat becomes very different. The aircraft that detects the target does not always fire the missile. Instead, it shares targeting data across the network. Another aircraft in the strike package, positioned farther away and safely outside enemy radar coverage, will launch the weapon. Missiles such as the AIM-120 AMRAAM can travel over 100 kilometers at nearly Mach 4. When the missile is already in flight, the F-35 continues updating the target's position through the network. The enemy aircraft may still be scanning the sky, unaware that a missile is already guiding toward it. This tactic is called cooperative engagement. One aircraft detects, another launches. Both share the targeting data. Dogfighting can still happen, but modern air forces try to make sure that by the time two fighters actually see each other, the battle has already been decided. Because in modern air combat, the fighter that knows first, shoots first, and leaves first wins the fight. Speed still matters, missiles still matter, but the weapon that designs the battle is information. Follow this channel. The modern air combat is never as simple as it looks.